curious girl Maryam was a smart and curious little girl who loved nature and reading. Every day after school, she would walk through the garden, talking to birds and butterflies. One sunny afternoon, while picking flowers behind her house, Maryam noticed a glowing trail of golden dust floating in the air. Maryam, whispering, "What's that? Is someone sprinkling magic?" She followed the trail deep into the trees. The flowers were brighter, and the birds were singing songs she had never heard before. The forest of whispers. Suddenly, she entered a part of the forest she had never seen. The trees were tall and seemed to whisper to one another. A soft voice echoed, "Welcome, Maryam. You are the first human child to enter the forest of whispers." Maryam looked around, eyes wide. "Maryam, who said that?" From behind a tree appeared a glowing fox with silver fur and bright green eyes. "Fox, I am Lumo. The forest chose you because of your kind heart and curious mind." Maryam was amazed. She had only read about magical places in books. Now she was living in one. The test of courage. Lumo explained that the forest was losing its colors because children had stopped asking questions, exploring, and dreaming. To bring the colors back, Maryam had to complete 3 small tasks. Listen without interrupting. Help someone in need. Ask a brave question. Maryam accepted the challenge with a brave smile. Completing the tasks first, she sat under a tree and listened to the wind, learning that silence has a voice. Wind face next, she helped a squirrel trapped in a bramble bush, gently freeing it without hurting the thorns. Chipmunk. Finally, she turned to Lumo and asked, "Maryam, why do grown-ups forget how to wonder?" Lumo's eyes sparkled. "Lumo, because they forget to see the world like children do. But you reminded us all." The lesson. The forest burst into color, trees shimmered with blues and golds, flowers danced, and stars twinkled above, even though it was still day. Lumo bowed. "Lumo, you brought curiosity, kindness, and courage, the magic we needed most." Maryam returned home just in time for dinner, her pockets filled with flower petals and her heart filled with joy. That night, she whispered to the stars, "Maryam, I'll never stop wondering." Moral of the story: curiosity, kindness, and courage can bring magic to the world, one question at a time.